In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Komoot voucher for your route. It's best to do this on your laptop, but you will also be needing your phone later on. First things first, we need a Komoot account, so go to komoot.com. Sign up or log in. I've already signed up, so only need to log in. Once you've signed in, this is a personal profile where all your routes will be stored. Now we are going back to our hiking guide. We've just downloaded and received from bookertracking.com. It's best to download it on your computer, then all the links will work properly. So scroll down to the contents and then click on the route overview. In my case, it's on page 10. Click on it. In this overview, you can download each section of your hike. For demonstrating purpose, I'm only going to add 2 routes, but of course you can add all your routes to your account. Once you click on a route, it will be sent to the Komoot webpage. Just a small tip, if you control-click the link, it will automatically open a different tab in your window. So that's what I'm going to do. Control-click on section 1. Then it will open in a different window. And then you need to create a copy of this tour. Got it. Once you have created it, it's now stored on the planned. So you can click on it. Here you can find your route. So now I'm going to add a second one, maybe section 1A. Control-click on it again, opens a different window, and then you can create a copy of this tour. Got it. Just to check if everything is in order. Here are your 2 routes. Now you can go back to your hiking guide. And then scroll up to the contents page again. And then navigate towards navigation. In my case, it's on page 25. Yours may differ. If you scroll down, you can see your regions that you are going to be hiking in. To redeem your free region voucher, you will need to fill in a code. The first region corresponds with the first code. The second region with a second code. And the third region with a third code. Copy the code. Command or Control C, open a new window, go to komoot.com/account/gift. Fill in your redeem code by pasting the code and clicking redeem. But don't go yet. The gift is redeemed, but you still need to do an important step. You need to select the region bundle. Currently, it's based on the position that you're currently located, but you need to fill in the region that you're going to be hiking in. In my case, it's the second region. I've already used the code for the first region, so I'm going to use the second one. I'm going to copy it, go back to Komoot, and fill in the region. Now you can see the region that you're going to be hiking. Just unlock your region and you're good to go. So I'm now clicking unlock. And you've now unlocked this local region for your hike. If we want to redeem another voucher, we have to do the process again. Open a new window, go to komoot.com/account/gift, fill in your code, click on redeem. Don't click away, select your region bundle and look for your region. I'm going to do the third one. Fill in the region. And now unlock the region. Now you have unlocked all the regions and now you can install the app on your phone. Go to the Play Store, search for Komoot, install Komoot, open it on your phone, log in with the credentials you filled in earlier. Now you go to your profile. Look for your planned tours. So in my case it's Dutch, but your language will differ. Then you can click on the region that you're going to hike. In my case, to the Mont Blanc, stage 1. Once you have your route, just scroll down and save it for offline usage. This way you can always access your route while hiking. The only thing you need to do is press the navigate button and start enjoying your hike. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at bookertracking.com.